Webside. T'es pas yo? Fait que gros, ta gueule.
Haha. Don't mind if I do. Hey, it seems like every day I got a filled up phone. Ladies trying to text me saying that they home for the summer and they heard that I'm living on my own, so they wanna come to the maybe cook me some supper, but I'm busy, so I'm ignoring her. Yeah, I just touched down in California. Now I'm headed to the beach, going swim in the water like I'm trying to sneak in across the border. I do all different types of crazy shit. I'm the youngin' host trying to make a
Donya yun ka! Tasti!
This is what I was talking about when I said kids was gonna be some life-changing shit. Bitches. But shout out Pittsburgh, man. Most dope. Big Germ making me sound crispy and shit. Hey, yeah, I'm highly underestimated, so educated and getting paid quick. If you ever hated, anticipate that I'm famous. Got a bunch of bitches to sip on the champagne with. Celebrate it, we see in another day. Life good, never wanna.
Asti de motherfucker de Nyan 4. J'ai pas eu peur, man. Asti qu'il va me faire peur, lui, ici.
And it's me and Mary Jane got a really nice friendship. Yeah, they give me money, but I gotta go